Hey guys, welcome back to the Island family. This is your girl Maria, and today we're going down to the crystal markets. We've got, gems, diamonds, opals, all kinds of stones, you name it. Stay tuned, follow us on this day. You're gonna absolutely love it. It's gonna be amazing. All right guys, stay tuned. Just chilling out. Hey? Yeah.
She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. She got a hold on me, and I just wanna hold on you, hold on you. Yeah, that's my type of girl, she's my type of girl in my kind of world.
Hi guys, so we're here now. We're here on the Gem Fest. Yes, they are here. So we're gonna go in the entry. Yeah. Bobo had a sleep. It's nice and big now. Check out the stones. Oh wow.
What is that?
That's coral.
It's coral.
That's what someone was passing goes, that looks like coral. I went, it's because it is.
That looks black, and when it comes up, it's stripy.
That's amazing.
Is that it?
It's so pretty. Lovely.
That's something. On the land side. I'm going to still the line. It's only fun, though. Yeah.
Look, Bobo. Oh, amethyst. It's so pretty. How much is that? $4.50. So they came here early. So pretty. Wow, look at their rings and stuff. Lovely. Alright guys, keep going. There's too many people there right now, so I don't really want to get too close.
Kind of clear. We'll go out there in a second.
Gemstone bracelets. Amazing. Hey, mister. What are you doing? Huh? Are you just chilling? Are you just chilling out? Hey? Yeah. You're just chilling out. Okay. Yeah, we're just looking. Aren't we?
So these
Oh, look at that island. There's doggies.
Yeah, so a bit south and then up in the hills. Yeah. And they're called Labradorite. Yeah. Yeah, when you come back down to my store, I'll show you how this cuts up.
Yeah, it looks beautiful. Thanks so much.
Hello. I'm walking around with this in my hand.
Oh, righto. One of those, and I'll give you that.
One of those. Thanks, sweetie.
Thank you.
There you guys have it. There's a whole heap of beautiful made up crystals, gems and necklaces and bracelets and whatnot. Beautiful.
Oh, right.
Stones have names. No? You got something to say? You got something to say to all your YouTube subscribers? Hmm? What are you going to say? What are you going to say? Say hi, everybody. Yeah. All right. Let's keep going.
Yeah, I saw this glasses. They're cool.
$17 each.
What? Yeah, I was looking at that. They're $5 each. They're how cute.
How much is big?
17, 18, all different prices.
Yeah. I'll be back in a minute. No problem. This is Varicide from Western Australia. This is all Varicide. This is all Varicide as well.
Oh, that's what's it tonight. Oh, aren't they pretty? Oh, yes. Yeah. Oh, really? Oh, look at this, guys. That's a chakra. It's this one version. Beautiful. So guys, I'm just getting some earrings.
Oh, mood. Yeah.
Sorry, I didn't show you on camera.
I know, the mood.
Because some people can get iffy on
Someone
camera,
said
so
that.
rather not.
That's
Thank you.
I was getting confused. Yeah. But yeah, apparently you down in the dump.
Look at the
Oh,
face.
you'll have yeah. No,
That's pretty. Pendants and bracelets. Thank you so much.
you go. You have a
Cheers.
wonderful day.
You too. Bye. They're crystals, quartz crystals, titanium coated, $5 each if you want those. We don't know. And then gemstones, teardrop. Hi. Hi, I'm back again.
You're back again.
Yeah, because I really liked what you had here.
Oh, do you?
So I
What
was,
did you really like?
because you did say these are gemstones that tumbled,
Yes.
and you thought it was glass. It's not. It's got a plastic thing
No,
to
no,
it.
no,
Yeah.
no, they're called pet membranes. You think that it's something to do with animals, but they're not. I don't know why they're called that.
Okay.
The frames are called pet membranes.
Pet membranes, yeah.
Have a little look.
Yeah, have a look and see what it is if you're interested.
And just for your tickies.
Yeah, sure, matey.
And then I like these too. It's so pretty. All right.
You have a
Okay.
look and
I think I'm gonna go with my first pick. When I first came and saw this, I said, "Yep, I'm gonna go this."
So you'd like
That's
that
what I'm
one?
going. Yep.
Yep. So that's what you'd like. We'll leave those.
Yeah. No,
Yeah,
leave
sure.
those.
Glass. So I don't know whether you'd like one of those.
I'll go that one.
I can put that in
Lovely.
for you and just put that up.
Aren't they?
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And hope you're very happy.
Thank you. Yes, I am very happy with those. Thank you.
Yeah, I sort of tried to hit on an idea that was a bit different, but was still showing the
I
different
haven't
stones.
seen anything like this on
Okay.
other stores,
Oh,
so
lovely.
it makes you unique.
Thank you.
Thank you.
No, these ones here. No, with the gemstones and
Yeah.
I thought, because like they're all they're all different little stones.
Yes.
Like they're all real stones.
They're all
and
real
I thought,
stones,
yeah, and they're all real, but they're tumbled. You know what I mean?
Yeah.
So, but yeah, they'll tend to move a little bit with that. Yeah. But anyway.
I think
doesn't
just
matter.
sitting on a windowsill somewhere really pretty with a little bit of light coming
Yeah,
through.
and you don't have to
I
clean
think it
them,
would.
and they're not loose, and
Yeah,
you know what I mean.
Yeah,
But
definitely.
you vacuum them up.
I love the idea. Thank you so much.
And have a lovely afternoon.
You too. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
See you. Oh, look at those little eyes on the stone. Island. Island, is that caca I smell? That's caca. What you going? There you go.
Standing for ages.
Well, we just had donuts, so we're not going to go there. There you have it, guys. Just a little snippet around the town, and we still haven't walked the other way yet, so we'll see what happens then. Food, nachos if you're into that kind of stuff. Yeah. So guys, got some really exciting news that I would like to sit down and share with you all. Eventually have a little sit down chat. Really, really exciting news. So everyone's going to be absolutely stoked for us. Yeah, can't wait. Oh, lovely. Ah, don't touch. Isla wants to get his hands on. Oh, they're pretty. Oh yes, I think I'm gonna get some new earrings. Oh, so lovely. Breasts. Stainless steel rings, Bubba. Yeah. Ada. Yes. Yeah, for sure. Definitely. Oh, we can get a sausage. Sausage sizzle. Looks like it. Barbecue something. Hey, mister. Entry. Oh. What are they down there? What are they doing down there? Those people.
Over against the fence on the left.
Thank you.
Top corner.
Hi.
Hi, COVID regulations.
Yep.
Entry here, exits through the second hall.
Okay.
Keep moving in that direction. You can cross the crossways, but don't move back against the clock.
Okay. Thanks.
Yes.
Ooh. Sterling silver. Beautiful. So you can pick your... Oh, okay. So I thought you can pick your stone and then you can go and... I think that's how it works. So what you do is you buy your stone that you want, and then you put your stone in your earrings or your... And it comes with everything, really. That's amazing. See that? Oh, so pretty. Walking along. Cutie. Thank you. Bobo, you cutie, Bobo. There's not much you can really see right now. Maybe we can cross over. Oh wow, look at this. Huh?
Have you bought anything yet? No.
Yeah, she said you can go across. Beautiful.
Are you running this one as well? If you were selling this, how much would you sell it?
Sorry?
If you were selling this, how much would you sell
I'm
it?
not selling it, so I don't know.
Just absolutely beautiful stones. Gems. Beautiful. Whiskey quartz. Pearls. Pearls. Ruby.
Are you looking for something in
sapphires.
particular? The paradox, my daughter. Okay. They're very hard
You see my name?
to
What? Rubies, the real deal rubies, they're the real deal rubies, $600. Oh, look at them. Oh, okay, so you buy your cases and stuff here and put your stones in it. Okay. Jewelry cleaner and that maybe, I'm guessing. The circus is down there. There's a circus down there. I wanted to take Ireland.
So you travel just along this way, then you go back up.
Yeah. There is so much to see, guys. Prosperity and opportunist personal growth within your life, working with the stone and functions I love how they have like the meaning, like what the stone represents and what, you know what I mean? What it's used for, what it can be used for, relationships, business adventures, all of that. It's amazing. Oh my word, absolutely beautiful. Jeez, absolutely. Aquamarine, golden. Those earrings are something else. Those earrings there are beautiful. Ruby, I think that's a ruby. Oh wow. Well, that's just some of it, guys. There is so much more to see. Like for example, you can cross over and like just see the amazing stones and all of that good stuff. Quartz. Oh, that is so pretty. So there's some places where I'd just rather not like push in or anything like that, but you guys get my drift. Look at that, guys. Topaz stones. All different types of topaz. Amber stones.
Can you believe that this is down here?
Yeah, I know, it's amazing. No, that's not yours, Island. Diamonds. Diamond. Unbelievable. So pretty. Ali, mira. Ali. That alone is 1,200, and that's just a little diamond. Amazing, huh? There you guys have it. Big gem fest. Well guys, that's it for the day. Thank you so much for tuning in with me and Island on this beautiful Sunday evening. I will get back to you on the big news and excitement that is coming up shortly. So yeah guys, stay tuned for that, and all the best, and I hope you are all having a lovely day wherever you are around the world. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe and share. Blessings guys.